Good morning, Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Before we get started, this broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. There is a significant amount of risk when trading these financial markets. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope everyone had a really nice weekend. Your weekend is over. Time to bake the donuts. Let's do it. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. Today is Monday, June 30th. If you're joining us today, hallelujah. That's the good news. God is good. We're still in the game. Let's win it. Today is Monday, June 30th, last day of June, headed into July. And today on the Forex Factory calendar at 9:45, we have a couple of yellow folder reports. Chicago PMI, testing, testing. Chicago PMI, FOMC member Bostic, and Goolsby. Low impact reports. Chicago PMI, 945. Okay. Let me get myself adjusted here. Good morning, Rao. Hope you had a nice weekend. Good morning, Carol. Mukhtar, Judy, Agola, Tom, Duke, Rian. Good morning. Let's make some moolah. Let's take a quick look at what the overnight session looked like. Let's see, June 30th, this was midnight. Market opened at 6 right here. Last night, this was the beginning of the session. We had a nice leg up through the Asian Open. And the market continued on its upward trend from last week. Wow, what a week last week. Hit all-time highs on the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. Okay, let's take a look at the E-mini. E-mini looked like it was going up, 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 and away. Here's the 8U. Here's June 30th, 6:30. This looks like about the market open right here. So just a straight line up. These are Unorenko bars, so they significantly smooth out the charts. But smoothed out, you can see it's only headed one way, and that's further north to the upside. Do we get a retracement at the market open, or does this bullish trend continue? We will find out. Crude oil and gold. This is my gold chart on a 15 range. Gold is currently trading at $3,292 an ounce. 32.92. Currently in a short position. And crude oil on a 10 range chart. Crude came way down to 65.30 a barrel. Way down. Looks kind of flat this morning. I think I have it running on this CL 50,000 one-day pass, and it's up about $200. I changed this to I think a one contract strategy. Okay. If today's your first day joining us, I want to say welcome and thank you for joining us this morning. My name's Rory Powers. I'm with Right Line Trading. We're going to be showcasing our automated bots, our AI auto trader, our iBots. These are strategies that once they're enabled, will execute and manage the trades on your behalf. They run on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. We're going to be trading the futures today. We've got a pretty good diversity of instruments and time frames that we trade these strategies on. We have the NASDAQ, we have the S&P 500, the ES, the Dow, and we've diversified into crude oil and gold. On a number of different time frames we trade them on. And we let the bots run through the Asian Open, through the London Open, and now headed into the New York Stock Exchange. My leaderboard is anemic, which is a little bit of a red flag. We don't have any bots that are truly thriving, running up the score. So that's telling us to proceed with caution. And we're going to get ready to take our power play trade of the day. And what we do with the power play is we put it as our leader account on a trade copier. Leader account on a trade copier, and we copy across that leader account several, in my case, several Apex and PA Apex accounts. And our profit goal is anywhere from $250 to $500 per account. So we've got about 2 minutes until kickoff. 2 minutes. We've got a shortened week this week. We got the 4th of July, Saturday in the park. Love that song. Chicago. So we have a shortened week. And the 4th of July, the market's closed on Friday. So we've got Monday to Thursday to get the job done. $9.28. Good morning, Priscilla. Thank you for joining us. And congratulations again to Kershid, aka Katie, our first Profit King, in her case, Profit Queen. Great job. More about the $50,000 Profit King Challenge in a few moments. Let's get our trade in. And I also want to discuss the lagometer. The lagometer, we have to ensure whether we're trading on an automated strategy or on a discretionary basis that we have no lag. My God, don't trade with lag. It'll blow your account. It's a very common problem that we do as traders that we face. It's just inherent to trading. There we go, market open. You can see my lagometer just went red on me. That means what we're looking at on the NASDAQ is an illusion. I'm really 10 seconds behind, which is in trading is a tremendous amount of time. So here we go. We're getting the retracement from the big move up overnight. Let's let the market fill in the gap and settle down. We're behind 17 seconds. I give it to about 9:32, 9:33. If it doesn't come down, then we take other measures to bring it down. Good morning, Mark. Toby. Good morning, sir. Toby's in Louisiana. That good music and good Cajun food. Love that jazz music. 6 seconds. Our lagometer is slowly coming back to earth. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Good morning, Rod. Thanks for joining us. Good to see you, sir. We've got some selling pressure, it appears, on our 30 range, but if you look at our 20 Unorenco, we're in a big uptrend. I'm not convinced that short is the way to go just yet. But if we break this area of support, we're going to get an entry short. I don't have my copier enabled. Just want to see one go. I just want to see the price action on one to convince me. But man, does it have some room to the downside. Watch this short entry. Bam. Man, this one has some big running room. If there's follow through to the downside, this could be a home run trade. That green 50 scared me on the 20U. Here it comes. Good volume. Momentum pinned to the downside. This is starting to look really juicy. I might anticipate it and go turn my copier on. Boy, was that a juicy one. Ah, look at that. Right where we want to be. What a beautiful trade. Get in the profit window. Good morning, Khalil. Get in the profit window. Now, if our P&L goes to 375, my stop's going to jump down like it just did, and now it's 250 or 500. 250 or 500. I'm looking for the next short entry now. Looking for the next short entry. Bam, we're in. Come on, break through. Let's go. Don't stop now. Come on. Push down. There you go. Push on down. Push it down. Go ahead. Give me some follow through. Give me some follow through. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. Push down. Come on down. There you go. Come on down. Mm, shoot. Wow. Exit on the line change. Ah, man, I really like the trade. Just never did mature. Let's hold up. Wow. Could have taken a couple hundred on each PA account. Mm. Boy, I like that entry too. The price action looked really juicy. You know, for a minute I thought it was going to fly right through our profit target. Our 20U sniper went up 400. If we got an exit on the line change, that means that the trade did go 60 ticks in our direction. 60 ticks. It attaches to the 15 EMA. So when I get a color change on my 15, it's going to exit that trade right around break even. And it's a good thing in this case that it did, or I would have got a full loser. That first trade out of the box. Yes, sir, Rao. That reversal was something real right then. Okay, come on, let's go. This could be a bounce off the on the 20U. Let's see if it bounces off that 50. Could get a short signal A roll. Let's play the short roll. I'm going to enable mine. We're nice and tight to that 50 again. Let's see if we get another roll to the downside. Ah, didn't take it. It did not take it. We've got some support now coming into play. Nice, Duke. Duke got that first one right out of the box. Good trade, Duke. Very good. Looking for a break. We're looking for a break of support here. Let's let it find a direction. Let's be patient. We're kind of in a narrow channel here. We've got resistance above us and support right below us. Let's get a break of one of the two. Let's make these trades count. Got a lot of upside resistance. The 2-minute smart stop is up 581. 20U sniper 300, haymaker 270, and our power play. That other bot you see just below there, this one is gold. Gold is up 220 right now. I'm kicking myself for not jumping out at plus 300. Now let's give it another go. Do we get some follow through the downside? Let's wait for the break. Let's wait for the break. Come on down. I'm going to anticipate the break. Getting some good selling pressure. Come on down. Break it. Come on, break that area of support. Nope, not quite. Mack truck is in short on my 20U. It does, Mandinga. Answer's yes. That is one of the key components, the key condition, the key filter on the power play bot is a multi-time frame alignment of trend and market structure on the 20 Unorenco. Come on, let's get one big push to the downside. We didn't break that area of support. Still looking for a short entry. This could be a signal C right here. A pull back and go. I don't want to trade right into support. I'm looking for the break of support here to the downside. We're still in this narrow range. I don't want this signal. I don't want this entry into support. I want the break. I'm going to wait till it breaks support. Come on down. Good morning, Suzanne. Patience, patience. We get through this downside support. We've got some real running room to the downside. Let's see if we can catch another leg to the downside. Let's anticipate the break. Anticipate the break. We got it enabled now. Come on down. Let's get some follow through. Push through. It's a lot of selling pressure here. Didn't make it. Did not make it. Let's come back down and retest it. Ral's up 980. Great job, Ral. Come on now. Let's break this. Let's get the break. Let's get the break. Signal B. We're pinned. RSI line's pinned to the bottom. Come on. Get us in. Bam, we're in. Let's go. Now let's get some follow through. Come on down. Come on down. Good volume. Good volume. Push it down then. Ah. Mm. Come on, give me some follow through the downside here. Oh. Come on. Push down. Come on. Come on down. Come on down. Huh. A lot like the first trade. Oh, man almighty. Look at that. Come on down. Ah, okay. I'm going to stop right there. Man, I two beautiful entries. I tell you, just couldn't get the follow through. Price action looked good. I'm down 300 across three PA accounts, and I'm not a pain freak. My leaderboard is just anemic. We're not getting the follow through, even on beautiful entries. That first short was my opportunity. Yeah, that was a tough one, Rao. We had a really nice burst of volume there, and I thought they were going to drive the price lower, but the market's been really resilient. The bulls are not letting it go too far down yet. Power play strategies down 70. Hang on one moment. Okay, sorry about that. We'll keep an eye on the leaderboard. Let's take a look at the E-mini. Our ES scalper jumped in long. This is on an 8-unit Renko. This is a 2-contract strategy. Market opened, it retraced right back down to the 50. And now it's kind of bounced. And it's taking a long entry. Maybe the market reverses now. Right around 10 a.m. Here's our 10 a.m. reversal. This is our ES scalper strategy on the bottom chart. It's a 2-contract strategy. Um, Ninja Codes, thanks for joining us today. Hope you had a nice weekend. Good morning, Angela. Angela. It's a lot of upside resistance. Wondering with this shortened week, this holiday week, if we get much volatility, volume, and volatility. We need some big swings up and down. I don't see any big swings up and down yet. Hmm. Is it? Let me take a look. It's pretty choppy as well, Ralph. This is crude oil. Looks similar to the NASDAQ. About 200 contracts a minute crossing on the August contract. It is very liquid. There's only a tick separating the bid and the ask. Yeah. Wow. Look at this market here today. Now, coming up right behind me is Mr. David Wise. David Wise. Come on now. Wow. Look at Palantir. Amazing. That stock, I think it's the hottest stock out there. Palantir. AI stocks are looking really good. Nvidia, Palantir, almost at all-time. Well, Palantir is at an all-time high. Huh. Okay, let's see if we get this pop up. Break through this area of resistance. Our 20U has a lot of, man, we got a lot of upside resistance. There is a small opening here. Okay, it jumped in. I'm not copying this trade, but I'm curious to see it. It jumped in right at the perfect point, right through the area of resistance. It broke that pivot and it jumped into the long side. It does have a clear shot to our profit target. Let's see if it can make its way up there. That big bearish candle. Reversal coming. Now that resistance now became support. Wow, you're funny. It bounced. Man, it bounced something terrible. Glad we didn't take that trade. It's not stopped out yet. It's seen crazier things happen. It could still come up and win, but it's in trouble. Just a really tough environment right now. Here it comes. It's trying to bounce a little. Here it comes. Oh, that one would have made you a little squeamish. Came right to the stop, kissed the stop, and bounced back up to a little bit in our way, in our favor. I'll tell you, I thought we had two winning entries. I'm kicking myself for not taking profits on that first trade. When you get profits on a trade in this type of environment, which, at the time we didn't know it was going to be this choppy. Hindsight's always 2020. Yeah, I tell you, Dave, you make a good point. June 30th. It does close the second quarter, doesn't it? Good observation. Today is the final day of June and the second quarter. Oh, now we're getting some nice price action here again to the downside. All right. David Wise right behind me, right here on YouTube. He's going to be trading the SPY Super System. You can see my leaderboard. This is definitely a red flag. I said it when we first started. Trading pre-market, I only had a few bots on the leaderboard. And here we are at almost 10:30, and there's only 4 bots that are slightly above water. That's a good indication to possibly wait till tomorrow or for things to change. I was really happy with the entries I had. Felt good about both of them, but there was just no follow through. I don't, and I see it continuing now. There's just no follow through. It's bouncing like crazy, very choppy, very choppy. We're gonna go till 10:30. Over the weekend, we awarded our first $1,000 winner. Really great, great, great woman, Kershid. So happy for her. And she won the contest. The contest just restarted, and I'm going to put a link. It's $20 to get in, and it's going to go through July 11th. And the first top finishers that make a minimum of $3,000, it's a $2,000 trailing threshold account. And if you can manage that $2,000 trailing drawdown, and get $3,000 in profits, yeah, Dave, I tell you, man, you hit the nail on the head. I learned the hard way today, I'll tell you. Let's see what happens here. It's doing it again. You learn something new every day, let me tell you. Um, Month end, quarter end. Today happened to be both. The month end, quarter end. Oh, are you saying that that's what you're referring to? Are those 4 days of the year, or does it happen on every month end? Month end has to be a quarter end, or just a month end? Did it again. Another reversal. Okay, it just popped in short. There was no way in the world I was going to take that entry, but I am curious to see how it goes. It doesn't look like it's going well, I could tell you that. Thanks, Toby. Come on, push it on down. Let's go. Love to see this market start trending. But listen, Dave is making some sense just looking at this market, how it's the price action. Another reversal. All right, what I want to do is I want to put a link in the room. Your this this might cover the charts for a second. Uh, I'll move it quick though. All right. Oi. All right. Let's watch this trade. Yeah, when it happens to fall on the last day of the quarter, the last day of the month, we're in double trouble. Gotcha, Dave. Oh man, this is some nasty, nasty price action here. The ES candle on this 8 Unarenko, I believe, yeah, we've been in this same candle for about 7 or 8 minutes. Well, I can tell you how I ended up for this session. I ended up minus 300. Had two entries. One was stopped out on a break even on an exit on a line change, which means I was up 300 at one point of that first entry. Duke got in on that very first entry that I let go, and he got a $400 winner across his accounts. Then the next entry, very similar, did almost the same thing. Looked like it was going to go and just reversed on us. No follow through. So we wound up the day minus 300 on each one of the three PA accounts, and also an eval. On our leaderboard, there's really nothing to talk about. Nothing doing. What can I tell you? Mama said there'd be days like this. Huh. Okay, let's do the right line funding. So the URL I wanted to put in the room. For 20 bucks, if you guys want to jump in the challenge, it's a lot of fun. We have a dynamic leaderboard once you log into the portal, and you'll see. In fact, let's just take a look and see where we are on the leaderboard. The contest just started today. We have one trader that's up $1,600. And we have about 2 weeks, about two trading weeks. Of course, the market's closed Friday. So this Friday, of course, nobody's going to be trading, but this is going to be through July 11th. And these are really the rules. It's a $2,000 intraday trailing drawdown account, SIM account, of course. And you must qualify by hitting the $3,000 profit mark. Once you've qualified, there's going to be 10 cash prizes. First is 1,000, second is 500, third is 300, fourth is $100, and fifth through 10th is $50 each. $20 to jump in. So I am going to put the URL to the website is rightlinefunding.com. Rightlinefunding.com. Khurshid was our first winner just this past week, and she got $1,000 cash prize. All right, everybody. I want to thank you for joining me today on this choppy. And let's hope tomorrow, once this quarter and once this month is over, we'll be starting July 1st. July 1st. You know, I kind of like this new, and I might stay doing this, where if I take a full loser and I'm down 300, I stop because coming back out of the hole at 5 or 600 across all the accounts, especially in a choppy market, last week was not easy, let me tell you. So I like only being down 300. In one trade, I could be back in the green. So I hope that you come and join me tomorrow. God willing, we'll be back. Same time, same channel, same place. Have a blessed rest of your day, everybody. Coming up right behind me is David Wise. He's going to be trading the SPY Super System. Have a blessed day, everybody. We'll see you. We'll see you tomorrow. If you would, please like my video here on YouTube. Have a great day, everyone.